Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to get money off your H&R Block Emerald Card in 2025. If you've got one of these cards from your tax refund, you're in the right place. This prepaid card is a convenient way to access your funds, but knowing the best methods can save you time and money. Let's dive in. First things first, start by checking your card balance. In 2025, the H&R Block app has been upgraded with biometric login for extra security. Just open the app, log in with your fingerprint or Face ID, and view your balance instantly. It's quick and keeps your info safe. Next, the most straightforward way to get cash is through ATMs. Look for fee-free ATMs in the H&R Block network. Withdraw up to your daily limit, which might be around $500 depending on your card. Remember, out-of-network ATMs could charge fees, so plan ahead to avoid extra costs. Another option is transferring funds to your bank account. Use the app to initiate a direct transfer. It's usually free and takes 1 to 3 business days. If you're in a hurry, consider using mobile payment apps like Venmo or PayPal, which integrate seamlessly with the Emerald Card by 2025. For everyday spending, use the card for purchases and opt for cashback at stores. Many retailers offer this service, letting you withdraw cash without ATM fees. Pro tip: always monitor your transactions through the app to prevent fraud, as digital security is more important than ever. If you're dealing with the card for the first time, make sure it's activated. Do this online or via the app to unlock all features. And hey, if you run into issues, H&R Block's 24/7 customer support is top-notch in 2025. Wrapping this up, getting money off your H&R Block Emerald Card is simple once you know the steps. Try these methods and manage your finances like a pro. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.